Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can download voice message from Messenger. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Firstly, go ahead and open your Messenger application and make sure it is updated to latest version available. Further, open the conversation from where you want to download voice message from Messenger. Once opened, if you tap hold on the voice message, you will see various options, but you will not see the option to download voice message anywhere. So the alternative to download voice message is go ahead and screen record the voice message to screen required. Slide down from the right side of your screen and you will be led to your control center. Here, tap on the screen record option, and once the screen recording begins, start the voice recording, and once it finishes, stop the screen recording. Your screen recording will be saved to the photos, and this is just an alternative to download voice message from Messenger. You can go ahead and extract the audio from the video if you want. So that's basically how you can download voice message from Messenger. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.